Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Here is the recipe of a chocolate cupcake. Cupcakes are all about having your own little cake that you do not have to share. The combination of a rich and moist chocolate butter cake topped with a rich creamy chocolate butter frosting is irresistible. The frosting can be either piped into lovely swirls or for the kids all you need is a quick swipe of frosting with a liberal dusting of colored sprinkles. Cupcakes may come in many flavors, but chocolate is still a favorite. This chocolate cupcake gets its rich chocolate flavor from unsweetened cocoa powder, and you can use either Dutch processed or natural unsweetened. Let's start the process. In a small bowl, add 50 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder and add 1 cup of hot boiling water or hot coffee. Stir the unsweetened cocoa powder with the hot boiling water or hot coffee until it is smooth. Let it cool down to room temperature. In another bowl, add 1 and 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 175 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sift or whisk together the flour with baking powder, baking soda and salt and keep this aside. In another bowl, take half cup of, that is 113 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. Beat the butter with an electric mixer until it is smooth. Now add 1 cup of white sugar, that is 200 grams of granulated white sugar, and beat well until it is light and fluffy. Scrape down from the sides and bottom of the bowl and beat well. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and beat well. Take 2 eggs at room temperature. Add 1 egg at a time and beat well until everything is fully incorporated. In between, scrape down from the sides and bottom and beat well. Add the flour mixture in 3 additions, alternatively with cocoa mixture in 2 additions, beginning and ending with flour mixture. Beat only until the ingredients are incorporated. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and lightly butter or line 12 muffin cups with paper liners. Fill each muffin cup about 3/4 full with batter. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the cupcakes comes out clean. Do not overbake or the cupcakes will be dry. Remove from oven and place on a wire rack to cool. Melt 115 grams of unsweetened chocolate using double boiling method or in a microwave and let it cool down to room temperature. Take 150 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature and beat the butter until smooth and creamy, that is about 1 minute. Add 1 1/3 cups of icing sugar and mix. Now add 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat well until it is light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. In between, scrape down from the sides and bottom of the bowl as and when required. Add the chocolate and beat on low speed until it is incorporated. Increase the speed to medium. Beat until the frosting is smooth and glossy, about 2 to 3 minutes. You can either spread the frosting on the cupcakes with a small spatula, or if piping, you can use large Wilton 1mm open star tip to make lovely strills. The chocolate cupcakes are now ready. Hope you all like this recipe. Do try out and let me know your feedbacks. And please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get more updates. See you with more videos. Until then, bye bye.